Hey guys, Kid Ninja G here, and today I am back with another video, and today I will be doing a World's Strongest Engine request from Donald the Black Engine number 9. Shout out to you for making this request. Anyways, let's get to the engines and see some engines clash. Our first match is Hero versus High Flying Thomas. Next match is Mavis versus Henry. Next up is Charlie versus Talking Thomas. Next is Gordon versus Snowy Gordon. Next is Real Steam Thomas versus Steelworks Thomas. Next up is Percy versus 2009 Thomas. Next up is Timothy versus Talking Henry. Next up is Arthur versus
this is James.
Yeah. Oops.
The red one is James, the maroon one is Arthur. Just to clarify.
Our first match is...
Guys, I want a good, clean fight. Okay? Nothing below the boiler or you are disqualified.
3, 2, 1. Boop. Looks like...
What a start.
Yeah, looks like it's gonna be Hero.
So Hero's taking the win this time.
Yep.
Mavis.
Next match is
Mavis v. Henry.
Versus Mavis.
Yes.
Next up is...
We got it.
And a go.
Ooh, it looked like Henry had it for a second. But no.
Looks like Mavis is moving on. Next up we have Talking Thomas versus... Not you, Henry. It's
Arthur.
Charlie.
Charlie, sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry. Hey, I rhymed.
Ha ha! Here's why he's named Talking Thomas.
Hello, I'm Thomas.
Wow, this is going to be such an easy win for Talking Thomas. Yeet. Next up is Snowy Gordon versus Gordon.
The original.
On your mark, get set, go!
Looks like Snowy Gordon takes the win.
Yeah.
Wow. What a complete shocker. I thought nothing could beat the original.
Steelworks Thomas versus Real Steam Thomas.
Go.
Wow, easy win for Real Steam Thomas. Doesn't even break a sweat. Next up is the 2009 Thomas versus Percy. Go.
Ooh, that's a bit of a battle.
Yeah.
But it looks as though the 2009 Thomas is gonna win.
Yeah. Let me just...
Ooh, there's a really big fight. Ah.
Almost had it.
Percy fought to the bitter end.
Yeah. Next up is Timothy versus Talking Henry.
Like Talking Thomas, you have to wait a second before it starts. But at least he's quieter
Yeah.
during the talking part.
Wow. And it looks like it is Talking Henry.
Next up is James versus Arthur.
And go. Wow.
And if you wonder why they don't have tenders, it's because just to make it a bit more fair.
Yeah. Plus, they really don't want it to.
Once, of course, with the talking ones, well, they are like required to have their tender. Next up, it's Hero versus Mavis. Let's see what happens.
Go. Wow. Looks like it's Mavis. He took the win.
Mm-hmm.
Next up is Talking Thomas versus Snowy Gordon.
Hello, I'm Thomas.
I hate waiting for this.
Ooh, wow.
Easy win for Talking Thomas.
It even fell off the rail, I think.
Ah, I get it.
What?
I get the reference.
Oh, yeah. Ha ha ha. Wasn't even trying to reference anything. Anyway, I'm getting off topic.
Alright, next up, 2009 Thomas versus Real Steve Thomas. Go!
Wow. Wow. It stopped it. I noticed if you look closely, it stops his wheels instantly. Like just boom. Just stops his wheels.
Boom.
Just it slid down the track like it was as if nothing was there.
Next up is Talking Henry versus Arthur. Wait.
Error. Wow.
It's gonna be a win for Talking Henry.
Now these are the semifinalists
Yes. We have Mavis.
who just fell off the track. Mavis versus a Thomas. Yes.
Yeah. And there will no be a third placeman or
Whoever. Whatever.
Hello, I'm Thomas.
go. Boop.
Oh, wow. Ooh, that's a bit of a fight.
Yes. It's going on.
And
Yee.
it's over. Oh, by the way, something weird happens is if once the tender comes off,
Yeah.
it will instantly turn off. That's kind of a weakness of the talking engines, but they're still like very powerful.
Anyways, Mavis is on to the final.
How is she under the finals?
She beat Talking Thomas.
Oh yeah, I thought she was in like whatever. Go. I'm
Ooh, she
Who-
faced Talking Henry or
Real Steve Thomas. Here we go. Oh wow. He jumps the gun in. Ooh. Oh my goodness.
Boys. Oh wow, and it's gonna be
Talking Henry
wow.
comes out of nowhere. Usually, if I think of Real Steve Thomas, I think that he's actually a pretty powerful engine.
Yeah,
Look at him. He's just like, no, you've been denied.
this is it, the final.
Go.
It's gonna be Talking Henry versus Mavis. Let's do this.
Oh. Oh, ooh.
Very good fight. Oh! Oh, wow!
Listen to those sound effects.
Yeah.
Do you think we might have to call this one a draw?
Yeah. Draw.
We might have to call this one a draw.
Here's what we do for a draw. We get our trusty dusty car.
What's that supposed to do?
It's supposed to help with non-ties.
Oh, see who pushed it the farther? The farther. Wow.
It's pretty much the world's strongest engine. It's gonna be a win for
Ooh, this one's interesting.
It's going
Donald the Black Engine number 9, yes?
Yes.
Looks like this will be an interesting.
You got what you wish.
Oh, and Mavis takes the win and pushes. That is ruthless.
Mavis is on to our faithful. I'm just kidding.
Just kidding. She is the champion today,
Yeah.
laying on top of the two Thomases. Okay. And
Here's what I do. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Love the fans.